Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. For this video, I'd like to share with you some tips on how to create a space for your yoga practice. A space that will inspire you, a space for your healing, and most importantly, it's a personal space so that you can enjoy your yoga journey. Tip number 1. Find a designated space for your practice. Doesn't have to be a whole entire room for you to practice yoga. All you need is a space to spread out, even if that area is a multi-purpose room. There's always room for yoga even in the tiniest of spaces. Make this area free of clutter so that you can arrange or rearrange props depending on what you want to do in this yoga space. You will find that a space that is free of distractions will help you develop your meditation practice. For some, creating works of art or journal writing is a form of meditation. Tip number 2, find a space that has access to natural light and fresh air. This could be a small corner in your room or even next to your bed. Having access to these natural elements help keep positive energy flow along with a decluttered area. Tip number 3, have fun decorating the place. Add plants or objects, one that inspires you and gives you a positive vibe. Next tip is to have some yoga props to support your practice. These props, like a yoga strap, a cushion, or a sturdy chair, help support your body when you are doing your physical practice. I'll provide a link below in the description box on my previous videos on how to use these props to help relieve low back tension. Chances are you have items in your home to substitute for these props. That's why there's no rush in buying these items. For example, in the Legs Up the Wall video, I showed you how to substitute a thick towel or a pillow for this particular pose. Another great prop is the wall. I showed you in many of my videos how I use the wall to support my body doing these physical asanas. Having a sturdy chair and a non-slip floor helps you in your yoga practice where in certain instances you are not able to sit on the ground. My previous videos demonstrate on how to use these chair sequences in your yoga practice. Also, look around your home, find different pillows, and see what it's like on your body. One of my favorite props is a blanket. I encourage all my students to use a blanket to keep themselves warm after the end of a long sequence. Staying warm at the end of a long sequence helps keep your body's energy flow and avoid sudden shifts of temperature change. The next tip I have is, why not take your yoga outdoors? Make this a personal goal to take your yoga outside. Experiencing the nature around you definitely helps inspire you in your poses and your breath work. Doing yoga outdoors helps you experience a newer awareness as you feel the breeze on your skin and the warmth of the sun. All of these increases the focus on the present moment, which is yoga, to be one with our body, mind, and spirit. I hope you enjoyed these tips to develop your home practice. Send me a comment, and I hope to see you soon on the next video.